Okay, so you have a grid of 3x3 circles, and each of them has smaller circles within them. Some of them have a solid background color, and others just have an outline. I don't know, for example, this white is just an outline, and this has a filled yellow background. So the way the game works is you have this timer. Well, yeah, it's a timer, and you have to empty the grid as fast as you can. So the way it works is you have to tap on two different circles that have elements that are in common with each other. In our case, we have these two, for example. They both have an orange circle inside them that is the same size and the same style, so they're both orange. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap on the first one. The order does not matter as long as we tap one after another. So we're going to tap, and the common circle within them gets removed. Now this is selected, so we have to find another circle that has smaller circles that are appearing in this circle. So I think this one has this small circle in both of them. So let's try that. Okay, that worked. Now let's try to find. Okay, these two, they both have the orange smallest circle in common. We have the red in this. Okay. I think this one has the circle in common, the green one, and so on. And you have to keep going until you clear the whole grid. If you tap on a wrong circle, on one that you don't have anything in common with, you're gonna get a penalty, for example. Okay, that was, yeah, you're gonna get 3 seconds added to your timer. So yeah, if you clear one completely, the selected circle gets reset, so you can now start to tap on any of the rest of the circle. So we can tap on either of these 7. Let's just go with this one. Okay, let's drop that one. Okay, we cleared one again. These two. Now we're gonna go with this, and lastly we're gonna tap on these two, and we got 8 points because it took us like 2 minutes to complete it. But yeah, that's how you play the game. It is a bit difficult to understand, but it's not complicated. So yeah, that's how you play it.